Alright, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So Ian's TV over here. So today I'm going to do some unboxing on my newly get AirPods Pro 2. Okay, so without any further ado, let's proceed to the ASMR. So in the box inside, first thing you get is the manual over here. So basically you get a manual in how to get connects to your iPhone and how to actually do some setup. So these are the manuals, and yeah, so we put all this aside. Let's focus on the actual product itself. So aside from the box, after remove box, the most important thing you have here is also a Type-C cable. That's actually same as the one that we get along with our iPhone. Same material, same model as well. So this one we put this aside as well. Let's see what's inside. So here's a ear plug you can switch using for your AirPods. So let's open it up and see. So we have 3 sizes over here: XS, S and L. Alright, so this is the actual product. So let's listen to the sound. I'm not going to do any review, just basically unboxing and an overview on the actual product. So this is the actual AirPods Pro we have here. So this is the overall look. We have the button over here. So what I found out the difference is that on the main box they're actually given with a new speaker over here, where you can actually found my earbuds, use the function, and you are able to track where is your earbuds. And this is the hole over here for you to actually put a string on, for you to carry around. So that's it for the unboxing. So if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe.